Hi everyone. So in the last video, I have shown you that how booking gets generated, how the user can upload the template here, and how a new booking will get generated. And also I have showed you that how to download the where to upload the items and MBQ. Okay, so this video will see how to upload the items and MBQ for a booking. So this is the booking I have, and you have to click here on this button to upload items or MBQ. Okay, so it will land you on this page, and as I told you in the last video that you have to select a booking level. So you have to decide at which level you are going to book the assets, either asset level or shelf level. So let me quickly remind you that asset level is nothing but in asset level the user the user can keep same item on the whole asset, and in a shelf level the user can keep different items shelf wise on the whole asset, on that asset. Okay, so this is asset type level and shelf level. So to map the items to the booking, to the assets, we have this section item mapping. So first you need to download the template. Okay, so you have to select a booking level first. So suppose I am selecting shelf level, then download template. So it will give you template like this. In this we have asset ID, start date, end date, number of shelves, and as you can see for this asset, on this asset total number of shelves we have as 5. So 5 shelves are there on this asset. So this row will get repeated 5 times because we need to put item on every shelf. So as you can see in shelf number, we have different numbers like 1 2 3 4 5. So on we need to tell the system like which item we are going to put keep on shelf number 1 of that asset, on shelf number 2 of that asset. So like that way. So I have already filled a template here. Okay, so so this is the same template. I have added items here. So when you upload this template, okay, so something is wrong. Let me try uploading again. This is that template. Okay, so it will take some time to process. Okay, so as you can see, like items get successfully uploaded, and initially we were not having items, but now you can see on every shelf we are having items. So okay, and meanwhile we also have a log detail section here. So in that it is nothing but it will just tell you the status of the Excel you currently uploaded. So like this is that thing. Okay, so currently we uploaded this Excel and its status is success, and all the records get successfully processed, uploaded. And suppose if some validation error is there, then the status, some validation, some data is incorrect, or item is not there, or item location mapping is incorrect. So it, at that time, it will give you error or invalid file error status. Okay, so this is about uploading items. Okay, so now we have successfully uploaded items. Okay, now the task is to upload the MBQ for that item. So MBQ is nothing but how many units or quantity of that item you are going to place on that shelf. Okay, so for every we need to tell the system, like we are going to place this many quantity of this item on that shelf of that asset. Okay, so that is MBQ. It is nothing but quantity of items. So yeah, so here you need to in MBQ mapping section, you need to get the suggested MBQ, and the same is the template for uploading the MBQ. So let me close this first, and if you click on this get suggested MBQ, okay, so here as you can see, here you have asset ID, shelf number, number of shelves started, ended, booked by asset type, what type of asset it was, and booking level, shelf level, location code, item, what item we have placed, and this is something new. So this is suggested H facing, suggested V facing, suggested D facing, and suggested MBQ, and here and this is last is the MBQ which the user needs to put. Okay, so suggested H facing is nothing but suggested horizontal facing. So horizontally how many items you can place, item of horizontally how many this item you can place on that shelf of that asset. Okay, so horizontally you can place 3 of this item, and vertically how many items you can place, so 1, and depth, suggested D facing is depth, so depth wise how many items you can place, so 4 items you can place. Okay, and finally suggested MBQ, so that is the total items you can place in that shelf comfortably. So 12 items you can 12 of this item, 12 quantity of this item you can place on shelf number 1 of that asset. Okay, so yeah, so this is so here we are giving suggested MBQ also, so user can it will user can get help from, like they can decide their MBQ, like how much MBQ they or how much quantity of items they want to place on that asset. Okay, so this is just a suggestion. Then user can put their MBQ here, suppose 11. I am filling a random data here. Okay, and after that you just simply need to upload the MBQ file here. Okay, so Once the file gets processed successfully, so MBQ, like you can see MBQ also, you can see like MBQ get uploaded for every item. Okay, yeah. So this is about uploading item and MBQ. Okay, so in the next video we'll see the next part. Thank you.